The LV Era project can be your first steps for the investment world, and you can easily get into it, so get ready. So guys, today we are going to go ahead and be talking about the LV Era project, guys, and its economic model. We are going to go ahead and be showcasing you all the information regarding this project, what it has to offer, what we can expect from it in the near future, what kind of features and utility it is bringing, and how easily you can go ahead and get into it. But before I get to that, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always remember to make a decision for yourself when deciding to invest into a project. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. Let's go and take a look at what it's all about. So welcome to the LV Era economic model, guys, that is going to bring us decentralized value growth, ecology, and a financial innovation on the Binance chain. So this is a pretty new project, guys, that is doing big numbers in the crypto world, and a lot of eyes are on it. Today we are going to go and be showcasing you exactly what they're bringing, guys. So let's go and take a look. So the LV Epoch economic model is a decentralized value growth ecosystem deployed on the Binance public chain. It integrates privacy protection, smart finance, and liquidity management, and is committed to promoting development of an inclusive financial ecosystem. So it's safe and reliable, guys. Obviously, in this kind of project, security is a #1 priority, and they are making sure of it, guys. They are taking care of this, guys. The entire chain of smart contracts operates to eliminate the risk of human manipulation. We are having model innovation, guys. So they're bringing new features and utility not seen before, so everyone can be a market maker. There is no project party and no human intervention. And market fit, guys, high LP participation, stable income, strong compound interest, and sufficient incentives. So basically, they're going to have a strong compound interest model that is going to bring you tons of percentages just for joining the project and holding the project in your portfolio. So the LV Era tokens are issued based on the BSC chain with a total circulation of 2.1 million. They support cross-chain interoperability and sure asset liquidity. So here we can go ahead and take a look at the tokenomics of the project, the interactive contract, the awards, and the LP pot. So you can go ahead and take a look at all the percentages, allocations, whatever might interest you. It's going to go ahead and be available right here. The token distribution scheme is designed to ensure the long-term stable development of the ecosystem. So obviously this is not the #1 priority. They know the steps they need to take. So a roadmap is always important with this kind of project, guys, and they know exactly the steps they need to take with the project to become successful. So here we can go ahead and take a look at what they're planning, what currently they're offering, and what they're aiming for with this project. So here we have the participation methods and benefits analysis that you can go ahead and analyze. So you have the promotion level rewards. You're going to have your grades right here. So the more active you are within the project, the bigger reward ratio is going to be, as you can see right here. Users can earn income by trading tokens in the secondary market, and the transaction fees are distributed as follows. You can take a look at the operation fees for buying and selling, so what the handling fees are, and the allocation purposes. So here we have all the information, the participation methods regarding all of that, profit tax policy. What we want to go and take a look is above the rules right here. We are going to go ahead and also be taking a look at the 4 pillars. So this project is truly decentralized. There are no project parties, no reservation. It's full chain smart contract execution. We have the leading technology that we have just talked about. They have tons of features in utility, the LP optimization, dynamic pricing, rollback destruction mechanism. We have the steady earnings and ecological closed loop, guys. So you can reinvest with compound interest and stay away from the dig, raise, and sell trap. And this is going to keep you safe as an investor in the world and within the ecosystem. So there you have it, guys. This is how it looks. If you want to know more regarding the project, everything you're going to need is down in the description. Here we have their white paper we have just took a look at. Here we have a picture explaining how the project looks and how it works, so you can understand the LV Era at a glance. So you can go ahead and take a look at the mission criteria for first level market makers, the thresholds, the income cycle table for static income, and the project overview. So the decentralized value growth ecosystem deployed on Binance public chain. We have talked about this. You can go and take a look at the core technical support. We have just talked about token distribution, referral, tier rewards, and so on. So you can invite your friends, colleagues, whoever you prefer to join you on this adventure on LV Era. And the staking or redemption rules are here as well for everything you need to do and take a look at. Here you can go ahead and take a look at the Notion site for everything in greater analysis. All the technical details are going to be available right here. You have multiple videos you can check out right here. So let's go and take a look at some of them. As you can see, they have tons of video previews showcasing you what you can expect with this project, in-depth analysis of LV Era technical architecture. You have the LV Era mechanism and model explanation, LV Era promotional video, and so on. So you can go and check it out for yourself how it looks like.
An innovative logic behind LV Era. 1. true permissionless decentralization.
They are greatly animated videos, guys. They're going to explain you how the project works. Everything you're going to need is going to be found right here. So if you want to go ahead and check it out for yourself, everything we talked about in greater detail, you can do so right here. We also have the Skynet certificate right here, giving it another layer of transparency, security within the project, making the community feel safer when getting into it by having all the necessary documentation for the security and privacy of the project. So there you have it, guys. All the links that you need. The website is going to be down in the description, linked down, so you can go and join it, get started with linking your wallet and taking a look at the LV era and what it can do for you. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, notifications on, so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you next one, and bye.